Just like any other feature of your body, your forehead says a lot about you. In some of the old tradition, the face is considered to be the mirror of your personality, and trust me, forehead has a major role to play in this. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kritika Decodes. Today we are going to know about the types of forehead and the personality related to each forehead. Now the shape of forehead reveals one's thinking ability, wisdom and personality. Let's see the first forehead type, that is narrow forehead. People having narrow forehead are very emotional. They listen their hearts most of the time and forget to use their rational mind. These people are often loners, but that doesn't mean they feel lonely. It's just that they do not like crowds and avoid being in the center of attention. This type of people are very kind, and they are guided by their emotions, and they never allow negativity to bitter their kind side, and they are deeply involved in helping people. Your empathetic side drives you to be there for people whenever they need a shoulder or a sincere audience. You might fail to perceive hurdles in your path sometimes, but that is just life, and it should not prompt you to change your tender self. Now, let's see another forehead type and the personality related to it. But before that, don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel Kritika Decodes. Now, let's see other forehead type. People with such forehead are gentle and dedicated, but they are also so strict that they would neglect their own happiness and needs just because rules do not say so. They love wholeheartedly, and if they love someone, they love till eternity. But that does not mean that these people do not break up with their partners. It is just that they will forever cherish some moments with their loved ones and will keep a special place in their heart for them. I must tell you, this is a bit difficult to make such person fall in love with you. You just need to really deserve it. This type of people are honest in every aspect of their life, and they prefer their world that way, I mean their way. These type of people are really straightforward, and they do not like unwarranted drama or negativity around themselves. Your straightforwardness and your honesty may sometimes create some problems for you, but that is a part of life and you know how to deal it better. Now let's move on to the third forehead type and the personality related to it. If your forehead shape is M shaped, that means you are a highly imaginative person. These people's head is always in the clouds and they rarely come down to earth because they find it a little boring. I mean, why would they come down if there is so much interesting things that can happen in one mind? Why would they choose to go back to the reality, isn't it? People having this type of forehead are art lovers. I mean, they are quite artistic. They often become actors, artists, or writers. Let's move on to see the next forehead type. Next forehead type is broad shaped forehead. Now let's see the personality related to broad forehead. People with such type of foreheads are extremely skilled. They are able to complete every task they are given, not only on time but much earlier than the deadline. They do not need a lot of explanation. They have a sixth sense. They are really intuitive, and they know when there is something about to happen much earlier than other people. They have a balanced approach towards life, and their judgment of situations are so accurate that you may wonder about it. You are a multitasker, and you make sure that you do not lag behind any aspect of life. You have impeccable organization skills and you put an extra effort to put your life in order, and that's really commendable. For the life of the party. You sometimes become too emotional, but that's okay sometimes, isn't it? Now let's move on to the next forehead shape. And the forehead shape which we are going to see next is curved forehead shape. Let's see the personality related to curved forehead. These people are magnet for positive emotions and happy moments. They sometimes suffer because there are people who envy their popularity among other people and try to outshine them, even if this is a hard task. You are so positive, so vibrant that you light up a room when you come in. Everybody around you wants to make a good impression to you, even unconsciously. You can lighten and brighten people around you and the lives of people around you. You have an innate positive aura about your being that your mere presence could drive away the blues. You have a warm smile, and your uplifting words can make any people see the brighter side of the life, and that's really so important nowadays. I mean, enabling people to be positive and hopeful about life is a healing quality and very rare one too. And who does that it for free? And you are one of those kind of people who does it very happily for others. I really hope that you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers to the core. Thank you so much.